built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
Oh.
Looks like she was lying down when she was killed. Flowers were already here.
How do you know that?
Blood pattern. Also, I'd say the body was dragged off the foot of the bed. There.
The body. Jesus. You could say she. Poor girl. I just can't even imagine.
Let's see what we gotta work with here. Storybooks.
What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
Mundy. That's in human version.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
What's it mean? Why mark the page where she's sleeping?
The bed matches the coffin. He's been obsessed with death.
I think he made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too.
The
He'd have had
evidence.
Lily lie down just like this.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
This is creepy. The coffin and the weird fixation on Snow. What the hell is wrong with this guy?
A lot, apparently.
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not. He brought wine.
Classy.
Oh god. Actually, I'm gonna go put it in the cassette player first.
God.
Up. Apple.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
Rotten apple.
What? What are you thinking?
It's got a single bite taken out of it, like in Snow's story.
Oh no. Do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course. That makes perfect sense. It fits. He's acting out scenes from the book. That poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
Georgie took advantage of her when she was in trouble. He's a real predator.
Yeah,
Let's go check this.
she must have been so scared. Bigby, this? I think I heard this music. Last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder.
Maybe she didn't see it coming. Damn it. Get it together, Beauty.
Dresses.
Be strong.
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
He's also got an
Oh
interesting
no.
art style.
She must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
This is the same dress as the one in the book about snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It's another match to what's in the book. God, I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you
He's
said.
a master.
This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
So he planned it all out. He had all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
They're lines. I'd almost guess. Nope. That's the real snow.
Are those pictures of the dead girl?
No.
Not all of them.
How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Stalking snow.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The
Crane.
next step closer.
You see the mirror?
What is it?
It's... Crane.
Poor mirror. Oh, we gotta see this. Next time on Wolf Among Us.
He could be after you.
I'm dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
He knows the dark magic.
I'm really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some
Oh
changes.
no, he's taking over.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
What? Who?
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Okay, let's check our percentages. Crane respond to death. 91%. Did you let you and 91% of the players let her make her own decision? Yay! How did you handle George? Players didn't hit George. Just opted out of hitting him. So apparently a good portion of us are nice people. That Crane was bad the whole time. Well, guys, we have ended 2 chapters now. It's been a lot of fun. I got some more stuff to do. We might play some more a little bit later tonight. Who knows? We'll have to find out next time on The Wolf Among Us with TVG Death Punch. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. If I don't play some more, hope to see you guys in the future. Bye.